really cold. I think it's about 20, 28, but the sun's out. Feels good to be out. That air feels so good to be breathing in. It's gonna be a good day. But I think I'm actually pretty close to the top. It's about a 1,300 foot gain off the bat, and then it's smooth sailing. I think the view is gonna look pretty nice though, given with what I'm looking at. Wow. All right.
She ran away in her sleep and dreamed of paradise.
Views. These are some nice views. I mean, there's like 3 mountain ranges you can see behind this. It's wild.
Every time she closed her eyes.
You were rocky and pretty freaking awesome. I still can't believe how you could see these mountains so far out. It's wild. It's just beautiful. Till next time. And there's like no wind now. It stopped. There was like a light wind. Now it's done. I've never seen a bridge like this. So I'm in mile 5 now. The legs feel pretty good. My cardio feels pretty decent. I'm about to do Tibbet Knob, and I heard there's a scramble, so that should be cool, but really have no idea what I'm in for, but it's coming up.
Am I living? Oh, what a funny thing to say. But there's alive and then there's living. Am I living for today?
Bicycle.
And I'm getting older with every memory I make. always said, look up into the sky, find the sun on a cloudy day, on a cloudy day. Your mama always said, look up into the sky, find the sun on a cloudy day, on a cloudy day. Mama always said, look up into the sky, find the sun on a cloudy day. And am I wiser for holding close the friends I make? But if I'm wise, then why this feeling of a child that I can't